You're looking right at him, an oak toad, the size of a nickel. When you're this small, pretty much everything else wants to eat you. With predators at every turn. The biggest toad in America. At over 10 times his size. Oof, lucky escape. A garter snake. She smells the air with her forked tongue to track her prey. She's nearly on him, but she loses the trail. Maybe the toad used the smell of the snail to mask his own scent. Now there's just one last predator in the toad's path, a sundew, a carnivorous plant. It uses a sugary secretion to lure in its prey. The ant is trapped by the sticky droplets, allowing the sundew to slowly engulf it. But just what the toad's been looking for. He fires out his tongue faster than the human eye can blink. Brave and crafty, he's definitely a hero of this lush coastal forest.